Good morning, good morning. How you doing? I am Scott Jelinek with the Master Investor Academy, and today I am going to take you along with me as we have to complete 5 evictions. 5 evictions in one day. So first off, I want to tell you that very, very rarely do we ever even do an eviction. 99% of the time, people either pay before the eviction or they move out on their own. Very rarely do we do an eviction. So why are we doing 5 today in one day? So I'm going to tell you. So I bought a package of properties from a tired landlord, and this landlord was tired because he had a bunch of bad tenants and was not going through the process of taking care of them. So we were able to negotiate an extremely good deal on these properties. I'm going to take you to see them. To be frankly honest with you, I've never seen these properties before. I've never seen the inside of them. Some of them I've driven by, but I've never even seen them. But I bought them very discounted. I paid about almost $22,000 each for them, which is incredibly good. We will slow flip them for $3,000 down, $875 a month. So it's a fantastic deal. But part of the negotiating was I will take care of getting the tenants out. So these people have not paid in at least 5 months that I'm aware of. And we are today doing the evictions. I'm meeting the sheriff in 4 minutes. And so we're going to do all 5 back to back. And I thought it'd be a great day to take you guys along for the ride. Now, typically I don't even go on these things myself. I have someone who goes out and does them for me, but today I wanted to go because we had 5, so I thought it'd be a great time to take you guys along for the ride, to let you see the process, and also so we can see these houses for the very first time, see exactly what we bought. So that's all for this section of it. I'm gonna do a bunch of these videos as we do these evictions, and I'm gonna clip them all together. All right, so we'll see you in just a minute.
Hey, Elvis. What are you guys going to do? Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I was shaking it at first. It looks a little tight there. Oh, there you go. Check that out. You can see the little pitch there on it.
Right, Elvis.
Everything could pull one of those.
Yeah, all I did on that is catch that little piece that's just on the spindle and put it the other direction.
Right, Elvis.
Signs of movement.
So we're good? Thank you, sir.
Right now I'm on my way to the second one, and I am just following the sheriff there since we are going back to back. First one went well, the house was in decent condition. Now the second one, I don't believe I've ever even seen this house, so hoping it's all right. And I don't even know the address, so I'm just following the sheriff.
Pretty good. Sure, what's going on with them? Okay. Gotcha. Yep, not a problem. We'll put them on the books. I'd say maybe 2-3 hours of foundations left. I should be able to head over there.
You guys are the ones that
Alrighty. Bye-bye.
own the house. And,
Yeah.
Okay. I told her that we need to change the locks, right? She's still asking for time to move, and you guys know that they got like 24 hours to move. Okay. You want to explain that to him, to them? That's fine. They, you know, that's it. That's whenever you guys want to give them the 24 hours. Right? You don't have to be. You know.
We can do that now.
We can do that
That's
now,
fine.
yeah.
Okay. So.
We'll change the locks and then.
Good to go to locks?
Yep. Go ahead and change the locks.
Wait, tell them.
Yep. I'll let them know. Yeah, it's good.
Hi. Hi, I'm the owner. I just want- Yeah, we're gonna be.
Why have we nobody acknowledged me at all?
Just want to let you know, we are gonna give you 24 hours to get everything out.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
But by the end of those 24 hours, then you have to be move out,
I
whatever.
got you.
Okay, just let you
I
know.
appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
So 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Yes, but you
Same
don't.
deal.
Yes, but you don't have a key from these new laws.
I know. So when is somebody gonna meet me here tomorrow to finish this?
It's pretty well.
You said I had what 24 hours?
We're still gonna change the locks now, man.
That's what I'm saying. So
If you wanna,
You got the whole day to move. You need to take everything else today.
the whole day today?
Yes.
Oh, okay, I'm good.
Yes.
I'm good. I do appreciate that. Are you taking pictures of the folks? Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office.
Yeah, you don't know what's on the other side of the door. It's always the old cops and off sheriffs that don't do that, so you're so used to it, but you never know what's on the other side of the door. think it's this house that has the. When you open that door, it came stronger.
Yeah, that's not what I said.
Get down, lock it in, finish.
Yeah, 24 hours will change the locks.
Not so good, Sheriff. How you doing? I know that's right. This one here with Who is this? Your boy? Is that you? Somebody will say that. He ain't gonna state who he is when you hold the camera. I ain't saying that. Diamond, I know, baby, because Mama just as pissed. We ain't gonna have fun on him. Come on. Come on, baby. I am, Sheriff. I hear you, boss man. I hear you. Case manager standing right there, too. She gonna make sure I stay in the white line zone. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know. Come on. So he can see how he fixed up his ragged ass house. He can video camera that. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Diamond, come on. I might need to put it in your car. Come and sit. Keep playing. I don't blame you. I'm gonna leave you. Did she put it in her room?
Take it out.
You can put it in my car. Diamond.
Remember you last when I came in.
Diamond ain't playing. I know. Come on. Diamond.
I'm gonna change the locks now.
Yeah, so y'all put the dog up. Yeah.
Oh, put it in the house.
Well, I gotta take every room. You know.
Diamond.
You wanna put it in the car? Yeah. Make sure you get on these ones. You gotta go now. I ain't responsible. Make sure you got them.
Me and my baby cut up. You have to call backup then. I'm gonna be honest with
You
you.
got a good little hand on them there.
Yeah, this is very recorded. Babe, I don't know what her pink one is. We already packed up this shit.
It's starting to rain.
We want to take it to the third car.
So the stuff we trying to grab now, we need to put it outside. Yeah, they be out. How much time?
24 hours.
Yeah, 24 hours. But we got to change the locks. Well, I didn't have anybody out while they do their job. But let me go through it first, and I'll let them know that everything is clear. Oh yeah, anybody else in there?
Y'all extra wrong for this. So this is how Virginia slum landlords do. Y'all need to slum y'all asses in North Carolina, because what y'all doing is wrong out here with the camera and everything. You motherfuckers ain't come out here when the toilet was ready. Why you won't fit the video camera then? And paid y'all for months. Stating how the fuck I feel while he's sitting there with video camera and the shit.
Shut the fuck up before I get off. Chill out. They can have this shit, yo. I'm not tripping off this shit. Shit, thinking about this shit, man.
No one's gonna touch them. It's just gonna change.
Change it out till I get myself.
But y'all gotta
I understand that. I just want to Hold my shit. Come back in, get my stuff. I'll be out here within the next hour. Drop this off, okay, run my shit, and I'm going. Rock whatever, I'm out of here. And you need to chill the fuck out, man. I got this. Come on. Oh, you get the car, just be quiet for a minute, please. I got this. Let them people have these shit locked in shit or whatever. Oh, what? We was all out to tell me. Stop that shit. You got it. That loud ass shit, man. I ain't with that shit. Let them hide this back ass house. So, that shit, man.
But whenever y'all time, like whenever like cut on time, whatever it's up, y'all. So what time is it now? No. I'm just saying, cause like, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, no, like y'all business hours, like what time y'all close, so like someone go at 5 o'clock, like if you're not done to 5 o'clock, the next morning, like yeah, like so like 2:30 next morning.
Whatever they say, like if after my session, I want to know like they come back. I just want to get my stuff out so I can get out there anyway and they can do what they want to do when I'm done. Yeah, that's all I mean. I give you the 25. You gonna give me that shit? Now it's going to straight. 12 hours, 3 hours. Yes, today. Sheriff's office.
Just need a key. Hey, look.
Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office.
All right, guys. That's it. All 5 evictions. Not the glamorous side of this business, obviously, but something that is necessary if you're going to be in this business. Now, mind you, it does not mean you have to do it yourself. I can't remember the last time I've been to any of these. It's been years. We don't do too many of them. However, this particular day I decided to come out just because there was 5 of them, and I wanted to do some footage for you guys so that you can see the rest of the side of this business. Again, the not so glamorous side. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy these videos, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a great day.